Hi friend, welcome to Eden Beehive factory. Let our beautiful manager to show you around. This is wooden beehive panel manufacturing machine. The workers are making panels. Now, the workers are making dovetail joint structure. Here, they are making bottom board. As you can see, they are doing a very good job. These workers are assembling beehive boxes. The beehives are packed on the pallets. They are going to our customers in America. Eden Beehive are one of the best wooden beehive manufacturers. Feel free to reach out.